Hello, how you doing? Going to make this beef stew today, just beef tomato, really quite simple. Now the beef that I'm using is quite a kind of tough stewing type thing, but we have turned it into something really delightful and soft and tender. I'll show you that method in a minute. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here we go. So I've got my pan here. I'm going to just put a little bit of olive oil in there. You can use a different oil if you want. And then we're going to take our beef, which is 3 cups, or it's like 600 grams there in total. Fairly kind of clean, you know, not a lot of fat on it, and cut it in that kind of size. Just below medium heat here-ish. We're going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes, give this a nice head start. So just got a little bit of colour on that. Obviously it's nowhere near cooked inside. Now I'm going to do this process. You might have seen me do this before if you're a regular to the show. This beef is not the best quality beef. It's more of a stewer, so it's quite tough. What we're going to do now is we're going to get some water, like 500 ml of water. I'm going to cover it completely there. Turn the heat up high. I'm going to add a little bit of salt now. And then what we're going to do is boil it out. So no lid. Keep the lid off. Let it boil. Get it kind of dry. I mean, not completely dry, but you know, fairly dry. And this process is going to really help soften and make the meat really tender. It's probably going to take, you know, 7 or 8 minutes. Okay, so you've done yourself a great favor, honestly, by doing that. A little bit more oil in there now. Olive oil I'm going with. And 2 cups of onion. Now if you've got a really lovely, beautiful steak cut, you don't need to do that process. But like I say, this is a bit of a stewing beef, so we can get on cooking now, and we're going to know that the beef's going to be beautifully tender. I've put the heat up a little bit, as you can hear, and we're going to go just for 3 minutes. Fabulous stuff. Next up, 1 tablespoon of garlic, chopped garlic, in that goes. And I've got a teaspoon here, which I'm using today, of dried thyme. We're going to add a little bit more salt. We're going to add some black pepper. And we're going to go for 2 more minutes. Fairly high heat still. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to add some fresh tomatoes. I've got 3 cups here of fresh tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe juicy tomato if you can. Going to put the heat back to medium, and we're going to go for 6 or 7 minutes. Really want to cook these tomatoes down. I'll be giving it a stir every now and then. You can see those tomatoes are broken down really beautifully. Next up, we're going to add some tomato paste, you know, this kind of size, little kind of Tetra Pak things. It's 135 grams. Pop that in. And we're going to go for another 5 minutes. Again, I'll give it a stir every now and then. We're going to be adding some liquid now. I'm going to be using water, but if you want, you could use like a beef stock or some sort of stock if you wanted. So we're going to go here, just cold water. That's 300 ml. So now, below medium heat, 8 to 9 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. We're well on our way here. Okay, so look, you can't really overcook this. You can keep going if you want, but off goes the heat for me. Check that for salt, it's going to be good. I'm going to finish this off with some chopped parsley in there. A fresh herb I always think is good in everything. Little mix, and that's it. You've got just a really simple, beautiful, nice and tender that meat is now. Little beef tomato stew. So that's fabulous with some pasta if you want, or some potatoes, up to you. But yeah, just really nice, simple, easy stuff. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook $3.99. Very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.